In my last video, I talked about carbs and fats and why there are good ones and bad ones in both camps. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the third macronutrient, which is protein. And I'm sure we all know that protein is good for us and that we definitely need it in our diets. But why is that? Today, I'm going to share with you the 6 main benefits of having protein in our diet. I'm Andrea Robertson. I have 4 university degrees, including nutrition, and I'm here to inspire amazing women just like you towards healthier and happier lives. I've helped hundreds of my patients navigate the complexity that is nutrition to help them fully understand the best nutritional approaches for their body to help them lose weight, gain energy, and feel great in themselves again. So now it's your turn. If you watch this video all the way to the end, you'll learn the main reasons why protein is so important. Plus, you'll learn different ways to get protein into your diet to help you lose weight and stay fit and healthy for longer. But before we get started, for the best online barre, yoga, adult ballet, and barre-inspired HIIT workouts, as well as lots of nutritional and wellness information, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every single week. Okay, let's get into it. Benefit number 1. Research has shown that diets high in protein have been found to reduce appetite, reduce hunger, and reduce snacking compared to low protein diets. Because of this, eating protein also promotes weight loss. If you fill 30% of your plate with protein, along with healthy carbs and fats, it will automatically be easier for you to lose weight. Okay, let's get a little scientific. We have a hormone released in our stomach called ghrelin. It's the hunger hormone. So when our body releases ghrelin, we want to eat and we want to eat now. Eating protein actually reduces the amount of ghrelin released. Proteins also increase the release of satiety hormones, such as gastric inhibitory polypeptide and polypeptide YY, the hormones that help make you feel full. Good, right? So protein reduces the hormones that make you feel hungry and increases the hormones that make you feel full. Benefit number 2, protein boosts your metabolism and helps with fat burning. Eating all foods actually boosts your metabolism for a little while, however, protein does it for longer. This happens through a process called thermogenesis, and protein is great at increasing this, thereby burning more calories for nothing just by increasing protein in your diet. Benefit number 3, proteins reduce cravings, and cravings are different to normal hunger. I don't know if you're anything like me, but sometimes I sit at home after dinner and I literally cannot think of eating anything other than chocolate. It usually happens when I'm tired and I haven't been taking the time to prepare well-balanced meals. Cravings are hard to beat, they really are, so protein helps reduce them from starting in the first place. Benefit number 4, protein, along with carbs and fats, helps provide our body with energy by being broken down to glucose. In my last video, I talked about how our brains, along with red blood cells and the nervous system, need glucose as their sole source of energy. So if your body is low in carbohydrates, protein will provide this much needed energy source to these important body parts. If I get a little scientific again, which you know I love doing, it's through a process called gluconeogenesis, which literally means the making of new glucose. Benefit number 5, the proteins we eat provide amino acids, or building blocks, to our body, for our body to then create its own proteins. Some of these proteins in our body act as enzymes. Some enzymes can break down substances, but others also build substances such as bone. Evidence shows that people who have a diet higher in protein tend to maintain bone mass as they age, therefore reducing the risk for osteoporosis and associated fractures. My family has a really high genetic tendency towards osteoporosis, so along with regular weight-bearing exercise, I'm always on to having protein in my diet, even if just for this benefit. And number 6, the last benefit that I want to share with you today is one that most people know about, and it's how protein helps build muscle mass and strength, as well as helping with body repair and keeping you fit as you age. As I just mentioned, the proteins we eat in food provide our body with amino acids, the building blocks for our muscles and our body tissues. Our bodies can make 11 of the amino acids, but 9 of the amino acids, called essential amino acids, can only be gained through eating protein from foods. So now that we have gone over the 6 main benefits for eating protein, I want to talk about different sources of dietary protein and how you can then add more protein into your diet. Animal sources of protein include meat, fish, poultry, eggs, milk, and yogurt. Think roast chicken, barbecued steak, omelettes, goat's cheese on salad, or tuna with anything. No eating of puppy dogs though, they are just good for scarves. Vegetarian or plant-based sources of proteins include vegetables, seeds, nuts, grains and legumes. Think pasta made purely from beans, chia puddings, nuts sprinkled onto salad, tofu stir-fry, miso soup and hummus with veggie sticks. But be careful not to crowd out other foods by eating too much meat and eggs. Fruits and vegetables are so important and provide our body with so many other essential nutrients. Okay, so now you understand the benefits of protein and how to get more protein into your diet. I want you to also remember that exercise is a very important component of living a healthier life for longer. If you need some extra help on clean eating recipes and exercise tips, I've created a simple and easy to follow program called Total Body Tone Up in under 3 weeks. You can download the PDF guide and watch the accompanying video for free by clicking the link below. If you found this interesting, let me know by leaving a comment below, and don't forget to download your free program. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe for new videos that I post every single week. Share with your friends and hit the like button below so I know to make more videos that follow on from this one. See you in the next one. Little Sadie puppy. Well.